Welcome YouTube family. I'm so happy to have you once again on my channel today, and I'll be briefly sharing with you how to create a business with AI in less than 5 minutes. And if you're an entrepreneur and you're confused on how you can easily create a business model that is going to successfully build a sustainable source of income as you establish a business. Most people have issues with even knowing the business to do. So this AI model that I'm going to be showing you is going to help you in your journey as an entrepreneur. So let's go as I show you how you can get started. So you simply go on the site and type ChatGPT. So you can see it here. This is it. So let's go. So for an individual that just getting started on this platform, you are going to sign up. But if you already have an account, that is when you can easily log in. But for this video, I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So if you are just starting up, just click on sign up and click on type in your email and put the password you want to be using. Then after that, you can start using ChatGPT. That is the name of the site. So let's just log in, and I'll show you how you can get started. So you can see this is my email address, this is my password. So I'm going to log in. This is a very powerful AI platform that you can use to get business ideas, that you can even use to get job ideas. So let's just go as I show you how you can get started. So on this search here, let's assume I'm an entrepreneur and I want to start a new business that I don't know how to start. And let's say I want to start a barbing salon business, either in Lagos or any part of Nigeria, any outside Nigeria. So just simply type how to start salon in Nigeria. So this is it. Then you search. So isn't this wonderful? As you can see now, we've generated a business idea and on how we can easily start a barbing salon business in Nigeria. So if you are watching this video and you're thinking to open a barbing salon business, look at it. Look at the steps that you are going to take to start this business. Number one, you see, research and planning. You need to do a lot of research before you can be able to get started. So you have to just study it, look at, develop a business plan. It is very important as a business person to have a business plan. Then the next one is obtain necessary license and permits. The first thing as a business person is planning to incorporate your business with the right agencies. As you can see here, the agencies that are in charge of giving licenses to entrepreneurs is CAC in Nigeria. So as soon as you register, your business is going to stand out from other businesses that are local. So your business is going to be on top of the platform over there with the CAC. So the next one, you think about your financing. How do you finance this business? So you put it in place. The next one is um, find a suitable location. Yes, you need to have a good location if you want to have a barbing salon business. It's very important. The next one is set up your salon. As soon as you find a suitable location, the next thing is to purchase. Now you start purchasing the equipment like the barber's chair, the mirrors, the clippers, the trimmers, hair products, towels, and sterilization tools. So this will help you. Hire skilled barber. Yeah. After you've gotten your location, I've gotten the equipment that you need for to set up a barbering salon, you need to get a skilled barber that is going to help in building an income for you. So the next one is you develop a marketing strategy. Yes, once you have a barbering salon, you don't need to sit down. You need to start marketing. And what are the things you need? You can see very very simple. Create a brand identity. Yeah, you create a brand identity for yourself. You can see logo and salon team. So when you put all these things together, it will help your business to grow. Then provide excellent customer service. Yeah, when your environment where people comes to barb is friendly, and you as an individual that has the business, you are friendly to your customers, it will make your business grow. Then lastly, you can see here is monitor and adapt. Yes, you monitor your business so that your business won't get crashed along the line. So this is a business model that is going to help you to set up a barbering salon. So let's look at another one. So this AI model, you can easily use it to get job opportunities as a freelancer. With this AI tool, you can even use it to create a CV. With this AI tool, you can do a lot of things. It's going to generate so many things for you just in less than 5 minutes. Isn't this wonderful? So you don't need to start wasting your time using Google. This is going to help you. So you can see it has successfully generated the 5 business model that you can get started online. You can see e-commerce store, that's the first one. Subscription box service, online marketplace, online learning platform. Yeah, you can start an online learning platform. Then 5, you can become a software developer. So you can start a software developing company. So this is so wonderful. As soon as I got this information, it has helped me as an individual also to build my business, also to get information easily at just seconds, in minutes. We are good to go. So let's see another one. So how to become a successful freelancer in Nigeria. So let's open this. see, you identified your skills and niche. Yeah. So as a freelancer, you need to know what you can do well. So that is the first one. Then the next one is build a strong portfolio. As soon as you've gotten your skill, then you start looking for how you can build a strong portfolio. And how do you do that? You create a portfolio showcasing your best work or projects. So this is good. Then establish an online presence. So this is it. Then the fourth one is set competitive pricing. Yeah. So you set a competitive pricing. Then the fifth one is network and market yourself. Okay. Then the next one here is provide exceptional customer service. Then the next one is manage financings and contracts. Then lastly, continuous upgrade your skills. So with these, you are good to go. So you just do it yourself. And as a business person, as an entrepreneur, I tell you that just keep on searching, keep on researching on how you can easily build an income. So finally, if you are thinking of using this AI tool to generate ideas for your business, any business you are doing, this AI tool is going to help you. Also, for those that have watched my ebook video, you can easily use this AI tool to generate an ebook for yourself that is going to become your personal intellectual property. So this AI model is so good that it can do anything you ask him to do. So take advantage of this, and I think this is going to help you through. Also, you can even use it to search for information on how to market your business both online and offline, because it will be very important as a business person, because when you have your business model, you also think of how you can easily market it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, click on the red box, it won't hurt you. And if you're yet to like this video, click on the like button, it won't hurt you. Also, if you have any questions regarding this, I'll be with you 247 to guide you through in the course of your career. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll be seeing you in the next side of the hustle. Goodbye.